Hello from Hanoi, and today we're gonna try egg coffee at Cafe Din. Yeah, you can see my outfit. It's cold outside because it's raining and it's cold, but that's not what this video is about. It's about this drink here. This is an egg coffee. Now you might think, why is there such a thing as egg coffee? And apparently in 1946 there was a shortage of condensed milk, which is traditionally used in Vietnamese coffee. So someone smart figured out that you could whip, eggs and add sugar and stuff, and it would become creamy. So that's what he did, and it worked. And people liked it, so people are still drinking it. It was not invented here at Cafe Din. It was not invented here. It was invented in another cafe called
Cafe Jiang.
Cafe Jiang.
But apparently the kids of that person, well, he had many kids, so yeah, he spread them out the places, and now they have several cafes.
Yeah.
But they make it with the same recipe.
Yes. So this is one of the kids making this one, and yeah, we're gonna trust that family. Also, we kind of just stumbled across this cafe where we're walking around in the old quarters now. Anyway, so we'll see. What I've heard, it's supposed to be kind of creamy and sweet. Look at this nice art, by the way. It's really pretty.
You learned to appreciate that, huh?
Yes. And now, let's have a taste.
It looks really thick. Oh wow.
That is really thick.
Have it everywhere.
That's interesting. It's like drinking like an egg batter.
Is it not only the top? Is it the whole thing that is kind
No, it's the top, but it's quite a thick layer of it. Like, look how thick this is. It's like eating like kind of pancake dough, a sweet pancake dough. It tastes a bit like pancakes, actually.
That is interesting.
That is very, very tasty. That's interesting. Not what I expected.
Wow, that's creamy. I kind of like it, but it tastes more like when you're baking and you make it like baiser. It's like what the French make out of like egg white a lot. Then you mix it with like powdered sugar, and then they bake it, and it's like kind of like crispy. And before you, like when you mix it, it's kind of a little bit like this, which makes sense because it's kind of the same ingredients.
Is that what I would call meringue?
Yeah.
And what the French would call meringue, I guess. Yeah, because I speak French as well, of course.
Sure.
No, we just copied the word in Swedish from French, apparently.
I wonder if you mix it around. I will try that.
Yeah, try. See what happens.
But yeah, it's really a lot of foam on top here.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
Was it good mixing it around?
Yeah, I like it. Then like the foam tastes more like coffee. I like that actually.
Yeah.
I prefer that. Because otherwise, you could kind of smell, when I was drinking, I could kind of smell the egg.
Yeah.
I don't really like that. So after mixing it around, I prefer that.
Yeah. I'll also try that.
Ooh, it's strong coffee as well. How do you like
Oh, that's really good, actually.
it? Do you like it better?
Yeah. I think maybe I had a bit too much coffee already while trying to drink through the foam, so I'm gonna try it. Denise.
You're stealing mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the way to do it. Huh?
Yeah.
At least for me. That's how I like it.
That's really good.
Better than expected, I would
A lot better than expected.
I'm not sure. This will not be my go-to coffee, but every now and then I can. If the weather is like this, like I can really see myself drink this. Actually,
I think there's a high chance that this won't be my last egg coffee in Hanoi. Actually. Tasty.
I kind of wish I had mixed it around a bit earlier.
Yeah, me too. So it was more coffee.
Way better than expected, and it's only $1.
Yeah. How much is it?
25,000.
5,000. Yeah. So $1.
Yeah, I would say that's fair.
Absolutely fair.
Because the chain we went yesterday to, we went to kind of like a Vietnamese coffee chain.
Yeah.
There was like double the price for coffee.
Yeah.
So I prefer this.
Me too. Man. So this was us trying Vietnamese egg coffee. Would you mind trying to pronounce it for us in Vietnamese?
I forgot. Café. Trứng? What's it? Café trứng? Yeah, trứng. But I'm not sure if you say it like that.
I have no idea either. I think they spell cha like tea with TR. So maybe it's café trứng. Could be. But now we're going into how to pronounce the Vietnamese language after reading it, which is very tricky.
It's written TR and then that U with like something on top and then NG. But yeah, we will have to learn this.
Yeah.
We just arrived yesterday, so please be patient with us.
Yes, we're still learning. We really like Vietnam so far, by the way. Hanoi is a surprise. Like, we really like this place. And we're genuinely impressed with how much we like Vietnam so far.
We're excited again.
We're really excited again.
4 months in Southeast Asia, and finally we are excited again.
Yeah, well, we were kind of, getting a bit tired at the end in Laos now, and because it's been a long journey, but Vietnam is just so different that the excitement is back.
Can I just say another plus for you with this coffee? You can, so Johannes is speaking like this, but nothing is gonna happen because the coffee is so thick.
That is a good thing, I guess.
Mess with them.
That's a good thing, I guess. Anyway, so this was us trying the Vietnamese egg coffee. Another short video for you of us just trying foods, but it doesn't have to be longer than this, because I'm almost done with my coffee. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. If you know how to pronounce café trứng or trứng, write that in the comments. And if you want to see more content like this, I would encourage you to hit that subscribe button, because I will taste many more things in Vietnam, most likely. With that said, I hope I'll see you in another video. And until then, we're gonna drink egg coffee and maybe another egg coffee.